Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into LTCUSD, Litecoin, and see if we can understand where the price is heading and where it may go in the future, both short and long term. The news today is buzzing with Litecoin's third halving event, scheduled for Wednesday. This event is expected to significantly reduce the pace of new Litecoin issuance, potentially impacting the cryptocurrency's value. News outlets are highlighting the potential impact of this halving on Litecoin's price, and various predictions are circulating, ranging from a significant price surge to a more conservative outlook. Some reports suggest that Litecoin's halving could act as a catalyst for a bull run, potentially driving the price to $1,700 or even higher. Others are more cautious, recognizing the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market and the importance of factors beyond the halving event. Beyond the halving event, Litecoin's recent performance has been mixed, with some price fluctuations and a growing hash rate. The cryptocurrency is currently being accepted for payments by various platforms, including Microsoft, signaling its growing adoption and utility. On Twitter, Litecoin's official account is highlighting its potential as a cryptocurrency for the developing world, emphasizing its low fees, fungibility, and privacy features. These developments suggest a growing interest in Litecoin, both as a payment method and as an investment. However, it's essential to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly dynamic and subject to various external factors that can influence price movements. Let's now examine the chart data to gain a more comprehensive understanding of Litecoin's recent performance and potential future direction. When we look at the daily chart, we can see that Litecoin's price has been on a gradual upward trend in recent months, although it has experienced some dips and pullbacks. The price has been consolidating above a key support level around $60 for several weeks, indicating a potential bullish sentiment. This support level is significant as it represents a key area where buyers have stepped in to prevent further price declines. However, the price has also been facing resistance near the $70 level, indicating that sellers are still active. This resistance level has been acting as a ceiling for the price, preventing further upside gains. The recent price action suggests that Litecoin could be poised for a breakout either above the resistance level or below the support level. If the price breaks above the $70 resistance level, it could signal a bullish breakout and potentially drive the price to higher levels. On the other hand, if the price breaks below the $60 support level, it could signal a bearish breakout and potentially lead to further declines. It's essential to monitor the price action around these key levels to understand the strength of the market sentiment and predict future price movements. Looking at the past few months, we can see that Litecoin has had some significant price spikes, particularly in June and July, coinciding with periods of increased market volatility. These spikes were likely driven by various factors, including news events, market sentiment, and technical indicators. However, the price has since retreated from these highs, suggesting that the market is still finding its equilibrium. The current consolidation phase suggests that Litecoin could be preparing for another move, either up or down, depending on the prevailing market conditions. Now, let's zoom in on the hourly chart to analyze Litecoin's price action in more detail. Here, we can see a clearer picture of the recent price fluctuations and identify potential support and resistance levels. Over the past few days, Litecoin's price has been consolidating within a range between $63 and $65, with the price bouncing between these levels. This consolidation suggests that the market is in a state of indecision, with neither buyers nor sellers taking control. The lack of a clear directional bias indicates that Litecoin could be preparing for a move in either direction. If the price breaks above the $65 resistance level, it could signal a bullish breakout and potentially drive the price to higher levels. However, if the price breaks below the $63 support level, it could signal a bearish breakout and potentially lead to further declines. It's essential to observe the volume and candlestick patterns around these levels to gauge the strength of the market sentiment. For example, if the price breaks above $65 on high volume, it could be a stronger indication of a bullish breakout. On the other hand, if the price breaks below $63 on low volume, it could be a weaker indication of a bearish breakout. Let's now narrow our focus to the 15-minute chart, which provides us with even more detailed insights into Litecoin's short-term price action. On this time frame, we can see a series of smaller price swings and identify potential short-term trading opportunities. However, it's essential to remember that trading on such short time frames can be highly volatile and requires a high degree of skill and experience. In recent hours, Litecoin's price has been consolidating within a range between $60 and $62, with the price bouncing between these levels. This consolidation suggests that the market is still trying to find its direction, and traders are cautious about making large bets. The lack of a clear directional bias indicates that Litecoin could be preparing for a move in either direction. If the price breaks above the $62 resistance level, it could signal a short-term bullish breakout and potentially lead to a quick price gain. However, if the price breaks below the $60 support level, it could signal a short-term bearish breakout and potentially lead to a quick price decline. Traders should be cautious about entering trades on such short timeframes without a clear understanding of the market sentiment and technical indicators. In conclusion, Litecoin's price is currently consolidating around key support and resistance levels, indicating a potential for a breakout in either direction. The upcoming halving event is likely to impact the price, but it's unclear whether it will drive a bullish or bearish breakout. The current market sentiment is cautious, but there are signs of growing adoption and utility for Litecoin. Traders should monitor the price action around the key levels of $60 and $70 on the daily chart, $63 and $65 on the hourly chart, and $60 and $62 on the 15-minute chart. A breakout above these resistance levels could signal a bullish move, while a breakdown below these support levels could signal a bearish move. Volume and candlestick patterns around these key levels will be crucial indicators of the market sentiment. The overall market conditions and any news events related to Litecoin will also play a significant role in determining future price movements. It's essential to stay informed about market news, technical indicators, and the overall market sentiment to make informed trading decisions. Remember that cryptocurrency trading is inherently risky, and it's crucial to manage your risk effectively and only invest what you can afford to lose. Thank you for joining me today on Explain the Charts. I hope this analysis has provided you with valuable insights to make informed trading decisions.